In this video, we'll show you how to configure the wireless bridge to implement outdoor long-distance wireless transmission. First, you need to mount the AP on the pole and roughly orient it towards the direction where the opposite AP is located. Then, power the AP with a PoE switch. After the installation of the AP is complete, please follow the steps below to proceed. Step 1. Log into the web interface. The default username and password are admin. Step 2. Switch from FitAP to FATAP. Step 3. Create a new WLAN. Step 4. Enable and configure the WDS function of the 5G frequency band on the root bridge. Step 5. Log into the web interface of another AP. Step 6. Enable and configure the WDS function of the 5G frequency band on the non-root bridge. The configuration is completed, and you can check the status of the bridge through the indicators. The more indicator lights are lit up, the stronger the signal is. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.